Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be making turkey and cheese puff pastries. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please stay tuned. Here's what you need if you decide to make this recipe. First, I'll make my egg wash using 1 egg and a splash of milk and set that to the side. Next, I'm going to cut my pastries into 6 squares. I'll also stretch them out to make them a little bit larger. In the center, I'll place the Dijon mustard and honey. I'll add my egg wash to the edges. And then I'm going to turn them into a diamond shape. Placing my cheese and meat, I went with turkey, Swiss, and cheddar. And then the last step is just going to be to fold the 3 corners towards the center of the pastry and then pinch them close. I'm adding some more egg wash, and I'll sprinkle everything bagel seasoning on top. And these are going to go in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown. These are really good. You can eat them anytime, but if you're looking for something different or a simple recipe for Christmas, I'd recommend giving these a try. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you liked this recipe, go ahead and check out these videos right here. Bye.